Today I'm showing you a video on how to fix the grrr kitty 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 sound that you will hear on your steering wheel, especially on the Hyundais. Let's get started. As you can see, it's a mess in here. I had to remove the steering wheel. I had to remove the whole steering column. After taking it out, let's go and see what happens. Right, here it's the steering column that I've removed recently from my car. Now I had to remove the MDPS here. Easily take the motor out of the column. That is where now you will see the problem. Can you see? There is supposed to be what we call a steering coupler here, but since this problem has been happening for a long time now, the rubber has been consumed. It's not even in here. Can you see some debris on the sides of the motor? So the rubber is finished. If you do not have experience with these such things, you don't have to tamper with this column. Rather, you take your car to an experienced professional. The first time it happened, I took the car to the nearest dealership in Polokwane, and then that's when I was charged 27,000 rands. That was too much money because they couldn't detect what was the problem, and then instead they wanted to replace this whole column. Instead of paying 27,000 K, I only paid 95 rand for this part. This is what we call a steering coupler. Okay, now this steering coupler, we insert it here. It goes like that. Then you push it through. It goes inside. After pushing it through, then you can now replace back the motor back to the column. And guys, please make sure that after installing the steering coupler, you are able to push the motor back and forth. But if it doesn't press, it means the coupler is not properly installed. Okay, now let's go ahead and screw the MDPS. Now let's take the steering column back to the car. And I must warn you guys, this steering column is a bit heavy, so be careful, because when you are busy screwing the bolts back underneath, it might fall on top of you. There's a hook somewhere there where you can hook this steering column. Right, we are done assembling back the steering column. Guys, don't forget, if you like the video, go and hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. Thank you.